Hello, greetings from 9 to Finder. I'll start today with my more interesting finds. This is from hunt number 13 at the downtown Toronto Park. The place is super trashy. Has tons of bottle caps and all kinds of other caps, wine bottle caps, kind of juice tops, whatever, what have you. So I could actually probably do much better with a smaller coil than my standard coil, which is like what, 11-12 inches or 9 by 12, whatever, elliptical. Because sometimes you had to like really go around objects and try to figure it out what it is. I had my discrimination set at a penny, which is around 60. And normally in any other place I would get some breathing room between signals, and in this place it was still pretty much almost constant signals, so the discrimination that I used after a while was basically anything that was jumpy. I would not dig it out, check it south to north, west to east, or cross check it, and then if it didn't pan out, there was no sense of digging it. No particular. I just posted a video of finding this. I tried to. This was flattened, like somebody stepped on it. It looked really good when I picked this up initially, but then when I turned this over, you could see that this is brass or copper that was plated. Kind of nice design, possibly older, but I don't know. Could be some kind of antique, but not 100% sure. One of those, another interesting find. I don't know how well it's gonna show here. All right, let's see the other side. Maybe the other side is better. This way. There it is. So it's a Chuck E. Cheese or CEC token from 1990. That could be a kid. So I did some research on those tokens, and that's what's nice about this hobby. You kind of learn a lot of useless details on a lot of different things. Apparently people collect these, and they're worth from $2 to $10. This appears to be the copper variety, and so probably it's on the lower end of the scale, although I don't know, it might be different if you clean it up. Okay, so anyway, moving on. This is strange. I really don't know what that is. It looks like metal-wise, it looks pewter. When I pulled it out, I really thought it was a quarter at first, but then I saw the elliptical shape and I thought this was a dog tag. And then when I washed it at appeared to me that this is most likely pewter, and it almost seems like there was something red in the middle here. I don't know if you guys can see this. Yeah, there's like almost like something was written right there in the middle, but not 100% sure. So in terms of clad, tones of pennies. These are the more modern pennies. They rust real quick. And the US change here on the side. A lot of surface, mostly surface stuff or semi-surface stuff here. And so I figured that this park, I worked maybe about 2,000 square feet of this park, give or take a few, and that's the amount of pennies I dug out for a park that I would say is at least 10 acres. We're talking, well, I probably did not dig out all the pennies from the area that I was searching because of the iffy signal, so I'm sure there is 100 pennies per 2,000 square feet, so that would make it 20, that would make it what, about 44,000 square feet in an acre, so that would be 100, 50 per thousand. So it would be about 2,200 pennies per acre. That would make the whole park be about what, 2,200 times 10, so 22,000 pennies at least in this park. Can you imagine that? Anyway, moving on. Just couple of more interesting junk that I pulled out of there. Ready for dinner. Fork is missing. Seems to be a tale of halves. This one says secure on it. Obviously it wasn't so secure. Looks like somebody cut that one. And since it's a tale of halves, I got 2.5 keys. And these huge spikes. Alright, so that's it for today. So nothing too much in silver and gold category, as usual, or as typical for metal detecting, but there should be something in this park. Anyway, I called it Saturdays because I will most likely be there on Saturdays, so there it is. Greetings and happy hunting to all. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.